Bullish Lisk cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.19 and $6.96 by 2030. Market examiners accept LSK could reach $3.19 by 2025. Bearish Lisk market cost expectation for 2022 is 56 cents. Lisk presentation. With respect to the fate of LSK and a cost expectation for the following decade, we will investigate both our own and the market's points of view in this aid. If it's not too much trouble, recall that making a value forecast is troublesome, not to mention making these cost expectations about the eventual fate of a pristine, incredibly unpredictable monetary resource like Lisk. Think about this and some other expectations while taking other factors into consideration. We should get moving at this point. Before we dive into the Lisk cost expectation and address worries about regardless of whether LSK is a shrewd venture, why LSK will succeed or come up short, or why the cost of Lisk will increment or decline, we should momentarily investigate what LSK is and its set of experiences doing this point. What is Lisk? With the objective of everybody benefited from the blockchain. Lisk is an environment of composable blockchain applications. With Lisk, engineers might make decentralized applications from the beginning, including their plan, advancement, posting in the dApp store, circulation, and adaptation. It is the first completely JavaScript-composed decentralized arrangement. The Lisk sidechain agreement usefulness supports every one of them. Lisk doesn't deal with the blockchain dApp stage like Google Play or Macintosh Store since it works transparently on numerous PCs on the public blockchain. The Lisk network comprises of a modified blockchain, handling hubs, distributed storage, and savvy gets, all from a solitary business arrangement. The product improvement unit empowers the designers to make the application for the overall population without the requirement for additional skill without any problem. Lisk's own advanced money is known as LSK. Clients might pay utilizing the site's incorporated receipt framework with Lisk token or Bitcoin to get to all the cloud highlights. Clients are charged diversely by Lisk for their exchanges when they register as a client, a second passphrase, or a representative. Lisk Basic Investigation. Max Cortex and Oliver Beddoes laid out Lisk in 2016. Its primary office is in Switzerland. The debut coin offering utilizes around 14,000 bitcoins. With 15 experts, it is a strong association with space for long-haul extension. Consistently, Lisk refreshes its true site with new data about organization funds and achievements. Lisk has isolated its course plan into 5 areas: Jewel, Emerald, Sapphire, and Golden. As indicated by measurements from the earlier month, Lisk entered the Sapphire stage on August 21, 2021, when it arrived at the degree of Emerald. Lisk is a drawn-out venture that will pay off because of its continuous mechanical turn of events, updates, and development. At the finish of the Emerald stage, 36 Lisk upgrade ideas were given. Lisk has changed from mainnet v2 to v3, which incorporates another God address plot. Lisk has concurrences with huge organizations for market extension and item advancement. The light bend is utilized for advertising and exploration. The Bitcoin Suis is utilized for exchanging and liquidation. The Lucrise money is utilized for bookkeeping, and so on. The business has partaken in INATBA, the Crypto Valley affiliation, and the Swiss Blockchain Alliance. For engineers and entrepreneurs who need to make blockchain applications utilizing the Lisk SDK, Lisk has begun an award program. Lisk repays clients who report framework shortcomings and issues. In September 2021, the company had resources of around $133,977,131.98. Lisk specialized examination. Regardless of whether it is hard to give 100% precise specialized examination to the LSK, TradingView's strong specialized investigation capability permits you to see the consolidated LSK trade rating continuously for the set time span. The most generally utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns structure the underpinning of the LSK USD examination. Lisk current cost. Lisk is as of now worth 70 cents USD. LSK has moved 2.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,576,021. Lisk is as of now positioned 173 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $91,554,604 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Lisk to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Lisk Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Lisk LSK cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of LSK will before long outperform $1.77. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the LSK's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, LSK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.42 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.56. Lisk value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.48 and LSK might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. LSK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.27 and a low of $2.13 in 2024. Lisk value expectation 2025. Assuming Lisk effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the LSK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LSK will be green in 2025. The LSK is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $3.19, with a base cost of $2.84 and a typical cost of $2.98. Lisk value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the LSK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.69 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.55 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, LSK has a most extreme value worth of $3.90. Lisk value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.40. On the off chance that LSK figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $4.61. Neglecting to accumulate the help LSK needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $4.26. Lisk value forecast 2028. While LSK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.97 and a yearly cost close above $5.32 in 2028. Lisk value expectation 2029. By 2029, Lisk will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $5.68 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.03, averaging out at $5.82. Lisk value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme LSK cost in 2030 is projected to be $6.96 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.67, and the typical exchanging cost of